Hoover Dam. And on the other side is Lake Mead, which is about as low as it's been in a very long time. Yeah. The landscape out here is like planet Mars. Never seen anything like it. And I think it's the center of that is between Nevada and Arizona, I think. And this is the new bridge that bypasses the Hoover Dam. And it's a little freaky being up this high and looking right over here. I was out this way years ago, did the tour of that dam where they take you inside and everything. It was pretty cool. Yeah, I remember at the end of this tour, when we took it, they said, "Thank you for taking this damn tour." That's like planet Mars out here. It's unbelievable. Inside there are these huge generators, and those little things in front of the dam are where the water goes down these tubes and feeds the generators.